Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame in Minecraft. Item frames are super useful for displaying your favorite items or blocks, adding a touch of personalization to your builds. To get started, you'll need just a few basic materials. We'll walk through gathering those and then assembling your very own item frame at a crafting table. It's a simple process that opens up many creative possibilities for decorating your world. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need 8 sticks, which you can easily craft from wooden planks. Just place 2 planks vertically in your crafting grid to make 4 sticks. The other key ingredient is 1 piece of leather. Leather is commonly obtained by defeating cows, but you might also find it in chests within dungeons or villages. Once you have these 2 components, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have your 8 sticks and 1 piece of leather, it's time to craft. Head over to your crafting table and open its interface. You'll want to place the single piece of leather directly in the very center square of the 3x3 crafting grid. Then, take your 8 sticks and place 1 in each of the remaining 8 squares, completely surrounding the leather. Once arranged correctly, your brand new item frame will appear in the output slot, ready for you to collect. With your item frame crafted, the fun part begins, displaying your treasures. Simply select the item frame in your hotbar and right-click on any solid block where you want to place it. Once the frame is on the wall, right-click it again while holding the item or block you wish to display. You can even rotate the item within the frame by repeatedly right-clicking it. To remove it, just break the frame, and both the frame and its contents will drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.